Most people walk into a room and immediately try to prove they belong there. They talk too much, they laugh too loud, they move too fast. To the world, they look energetic. To a Stoic, they look desperate. Real power doesn't scream for attention. Real power is like gravity. It is silent, it is invisible, but everyone in the room feels its pull. Today, we aren't talking about alpha posturing or fake confidence. We are talking about the ancient art of presence. Here is how to command respect in any room, without saying a single word. 1. The law of selective silence. The loudest person in the room is often the most insecure. Epictetus taught us that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. When you enter a room, don't rush to speak. Listen, observe. The secret: when you speak less, your words become valuable currency. If you talk constantly, your words are worth pennies. If you speak once every 10 minutes, your words are worth gold. 2. Mastering the stillness. Respect is found in the absence of fidgeting. Low-status individuals are constantly moving, adjusting their clothes, checking their phones, shifting their weight. The Stoic move: practice total physical stillness. When you sit, sit like a king. When you stand, stand like a mountain. When someone speaks to you, give them your full, unmoving attention. Your stillness signals that you are comfortable in your own skin. 3. The non-reactive gaze. If someone insults you or tries to dominate the conversation, your instinct is to react, to get angry, to look away. The strategy: don't look them in the eyes and wait. Don't frown. Don't smile, just watch. This is the Stoic deadpan. It forces the other person to realize their tactics aren't working. It makes them nervous. 4. The no explanation policy. Respect is killed by overjustification. When you say no, don't follow it with a list of excuses. Excuses are for people who seek permission. The truth: powerful people don't ask for permission to live their lives. If you can't attend an event, say "I won't be there," period. The moment you start explaining, you've handed your power to the other person. Control your exit. Most people linger. They stay at the party or the meeting too long, waiting for someone to tell them it's over. The Stoic move: know when your value has been delivered and leave. A Stoic knows that his time is his most precious asset. Leaving with purpose shows the room that you have a mission more important than their gossip or their validation. Commanding a room isn't about being liked. It's about being formidable. It's about being the one person who cannot be shaken by the opinions or the noise of others. Go into your next meeting, your next dinner, or your next gathering and try this. Be the quietest person there. See how the energy shifts. See how they look at you. If you're ready to master your presence, subscribe to the Stoic Corner. Become unshakable.